All right, let's go long here. Oil 6 contracts, $10 a tick. There we go. All right, what we're going to do is play a pullback here. So we're not going to go for our usual 15 ticks here. We're going to shorten it up a little bit. I may even shorten it up more than 10 ticks here. We have a nice strong move down, and you can make some good scratch on pullbacks as well. But don't expect them to go for a very long distance. Now when you do this type of trade, you're going to want to play pretty tight stops. You're going to want to bring this thing in, just kind of creep it in. It's very important because things, they can go wrong on any trade. No trade is bulletproof. So you better have a solid risk management. Now we go to break even. All right, we're pretty solid right here. So we're just hitting right off our profit target. We're in pretty good shape right here. Unless the pullback fails on us right at 10 ticks, which you see here's our target right here where my arrow is. And that's why we put our target at 37.97, because that's where our resistance level was. And I probably should have just brought it into 37.96 and we'd been out with our profit. But sometimes when you're working with this day trading thing, it's a razor line that you have to meet. So hopefully we get a little bit of a bounce here, and we can try that 37.97 once again. But it looks more like we're going to get stopped out. And we did. Stopped that at break even. All right, well, let's go on to the next trade. All right, here we are. We're going to do another little pullback here. Similar trade as last time. Long 6 contracts. Here, let's go for 10 ticks again on this. And we came pretty close to the last trade of hitting our profit target. I think we came 8 ticks into a 10 tick trade, and then we got stopped at break even. So we're going to try a similar thing here. Let's bring in our stop to break even again, and if we get stopped out again, we get stopped out again. But we didn't. Alright, so we're up 300 on this. Now that was just a little pullback, okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go with the trend. Alright, because all our targets are pointing with the trend. That was just a small pullback. So what we'll do is we'll go short. Now this is a much less risky trade here. But we're still going to, because we're taking more scalps than we normally do, it's just the nature of the market today. We're going to adjust our profit targets, okay? So, we really need this bar here to stay red for us. And if that happens, we are probably going to be just fine, because there's a big strong bias to the market going down today, and you generally want to go with that. You don't want to fade the market for too many ticks in the opposite direction. That's never a wise choice. So now that we're with the trade, or going with the trend on this, we're in much better shape. So we'll just go ahead and snap this stop in at break even. Once you can get to break even, things, the pressure's off. Sometimes you get stopped out prematurely, but that's why you have to give just the right amount of berth. There we go. We're at break even now. And we hit our profit target. All right, we're up 780 on what? 3 trades, 2 scalps, and a stop out. And all right, good enough. We'll see everyone tomorrow.